Alright students, congratulations to the students who ended up winning first, second, and third place, and thank you everybody for participating. I hope you did learn something. I know it was very challenging, but once again I want to affirm you in the effort that you put forth because this is really advanced stuff. Okay, so in order to export our file to get it to the 3D printer, we are going to select one yo-yo face. We're not selecting all of them because the way that a 3D printer will best print is if it does this yo-yo face flat on the bed, and it does it twice. So all I need from you is this front yo-yo face that you redesign, okay? So in order to do that, navigate over to the right side, or whatever side your side view is on. So look at the side of the yo-yo, and let's select our front face. So we're going to drag and we're going to let go with our mouse. And now I see that the front face that I redesigned is all highlighted. And I'm going to right click on that and click export. As I do that, I'm going to rename this Yo-Yo Redesign with my name on it at the beginning. So let's do Danon Ray Yo-Yo Redesign. And I want you to put your name on it as well. Use this, name it exactly like this, but instead of my name, put your name, okay? That'll help me to know whose yo-yo I am printing. We want to keep it as the STL format because it stands for stereolithography, and that is the format that 3D printers use. And we will use binary, not text, because computers read binary, 3D printers read binary. And we will have millimeters as our unit. I know we designed it in inches, but it will convert it to millimeters, and it needs to be in millimeters because 3D printers use the metric system, which includes millimeters. So we need it to be in units so that the 3D printer recognizes it as. Our resolution, we want to do fine. We want to make sure that your 3D print is high quality, and we want to download it. So once these are all chosen, we're going to click export, and then it's going to download up here. So as you can see, there's a .stl file, and now what I want to do is I want to go to mail, probably have your Google, and see all my emails here. Nice. Maybe that's not the best idea to put on YouTube, that's okay. I'm being very transparent with you. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. I'm going to use Video Editor. I'm going to learn how to edit this section out. Okay, so once I have that file, I'm going to open up my Mail app. Don't look at my emails, please. And I want to go ahead and create new mail to ray5@purdue.edu. Put Yo-Yo Redesign in the subject. And go ahead and insert. You probably have it on Gmail. Let me go to Gmail. So let me navigate to Gmail. Okay, now I want to compose a new email. This will be to my email. And this is the email that I gave to you at the beginning of class, or at the end of class, I'm sorry, I wrote up on the board. If you forget what my email is, just go ahead and ask Mr. Martin, and he'll tell you. And title the subject line as Yo-Yo Redesign, and put your name, so that's my name, so I know who's emailing me. And then I'm going to attach a file, bam, and it should be in your downloads. Or, yep, there it is. That's the right one. Dana Ray Yoyo redesign, double click, and it should install, or it should attach to the email. Now, you have Chromebooks, so it might look a little bit different with your File Explorer, but if you need help, go ahead and ask Mr. Martin how to attach that email into your File Explorer. Or I'm sorry, how do you attach that email into your Gmail message, okay? How you can find that file. Once you attach it, and see, I've attached it down here. I'm going to go ahead and send it, okay? Once I do that, I should get it, and then I'll get this printed to you as soon as I can. Once again, good work. Thank you for spending so much time on this. I know you've had a busy schedule with testing and everything, so hope you get to enjoy the yo-yos, and the kids from American Red Cross will enjoy the yo-yos that we create based off of your design. So good work, design team.